down here. I couldn't really set this up properly, did I? Right, yes. Today is, I don't know, I don't know what day it is. Well, I know what day it is. 23rd of the 11th. See, this is kind of dragging on a bit. Right, so we got, yeah. The plan today was to service the forks or change the oil anyway. So we'll just get down here, change the oil. But I only thought of it a couple of days ago, and yeah, the oil hasn't arrived. Although I've since found a bottle of oil, fork oil, but it probably is about 7 years old. It hasn't been opened, so I don't know if that's any good or not. But I won't risk it. So we've got the bearings off the old triple clamp, stuck them on the K6 one, and now we're kind of ready to go, I think. Oh, I've resprayed the top yoke as well, because yeah, that was just annoying me. Actually, that's annoying me. Move here. It'd be a lot easier if I move that out of the way. Right, anyway. Right. So I've read the manual. I've got to make sure I get all this lot in the right order. Oh, I know I've forgotten. Yeah. So we go bearing, dust cap, I think. Bearing, dust cap. Whatever that is, castellated nut. Washer with a thingamajig. Right, anyway, stop yapping, get on with it. Right, so I'll get everything. Oh, that's the other thing. I don't know, I read on forums about changing the ignition barrel. Well, I've kind of got it to fit. You'll just only get one bolt in. That's better than nothing, isn't it? I can't be bothered to faff around trying to change the whole ignition barrel and everything. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. Right. Sweary, sweary, let's begin. Hang that around there. Right. I hope I've done this right. Insert it into the hole. Like that. Bearing in. Like that. Dust cap on. I should have bought a new one of those really. Like that. Castellated nut on. Like that. Probably help if you could see really, wouldn't it? Ah, dear. It's not doing my back much good. Is that right? You sure there's not meant to be another bit between that? Not according to that. Right. I know what I could do. I could move that camera over there. Or that one. That one could be better. We are recording, aren't we? Right, so what we've done. Bearing in, dust cap on, castellated nut. Not really sure how tight I'm supposed to do that. A bit tighter than that probably. I think it's the washer that's the problem. There you go. We'll go with that. It's probably quite important really, isn't it? Yeah, that'd be about right, wouldn't it? That doll, you reckon that'd be about there, but right now, oh, hurt your back. Seems to be more washers in the picture than I actually have. We don't need two there, do you? Right, so that's what it says. Then put this bit on, make sure you get it the right way up. Oh, come on. That doesn't seem right to me. Well, how's the top? The top doesn't seem to lock onto there. Oh, that doesn't look right. Oh, we shall reconsult the, what's his name? Bearing. That's the cat. Well, that's what it says. I don't quite understand how the top yoke locks into the bottom yoke. I suppose it's got the forks attached to it, hasn't it? Oh dear. Right, yeah, we got it. Oh, fucking got it, nope, yep, nope, yep, nope. Well, I suppose it, oh dear, right, this is, what have I done with those now? Oh, I see. Right, did I want to put that, mount the handlebars first? Might be an idea, mightn't it? We didn't check that these fit. Has it actually got? Oh, I can't see underneath there now. The handlebars actually bolt in on these. I can't find a screw hole. I don't know if they actually. I don't know if they do. I should have checked that before I put it on. Well, I can just pull it off, can I really? I suppose. What he says. They're not screw holes, are they? Surely they've got to lock into there somehow, other than being clamped to the handlebars. That's not threaded, is it? Nope. Nope. Oh, well, there you go. We've got a spare bit. They don't screw in. What have I done with those then? I have got a top nut for that, haven't I? Yes. Okay. Not sure about a washer though. I really have got to clear this bench up. Top nut. I've got a top nut but no washer. Now I don't think that's a good idea, is it? It'll fit on anyway. Well, it came off there, so it must go on. I ain't fucked up the threads, have I? No. Oh, fucking hell, that's shit. Right.